My name is Caroline Pointreau, and I'm in charge of the laboratory for Perron-Rego. Activities of the laboratory are regulatory, quality control and quality assurance, and of course research of development of new products. As you know, Perron-Rego is a French producer of depilatory waxes, and we sell all over the world for more than 8 years. Depilatory waxes are cosmetic products, so they must comply with drastic European legislations for ingredients, finished products, manufacturing process, equipments, packagings. All those cosmetic legislations aim to manufacture cosmetic products safe for users, safe for you. For Perron-Rego, the compliance of those cosmetic regulations goes through the selection of raw material, answering to strict specifications. The laboratory team is always looking for new and performing ingredients and realizes hundreds of tests to select the best one and to create new formula with them. It's thanks to all those researches, past time and know-how that Perron-Rego has been able to patent so many formulas, more than 20 patents. Last year, we patented a new wax, cashmere, incorporating a new active ingredient never been used before in depilatory waxes. Each raw material gives a specificity to formula. Rosin is the most important ingredient as it gives stacking properties to the wax. Beeswax will give more softness and cohesion to the wax. Paraffin and microcrystalline waxes are viscosity control agents. Thanks to elastomers, our non-strip waxes won't break. We also use vegetable ingredients as shea butter, sunflower oil or candidilla wax. And to give more fun to our waxes, we use color agents and perfumes. Perron-Rego only uses the best quality resins, but also the best quality for beeswax, which is really 100% beeswax. Each step is controlled, since the receipt of the raw material or article packaging on the factory, up to the cartons of finished product on pallets. Each product manufactured in the factory is controlled. Results are gathered in a certificate of analysis, and all our products are tested by our trainers. Our goal is to offer you the best quality combined with the greatest choice of texture, colors, fragrance, nature of wax, adaptation to your clientele to make epilation a true moment of care. We receive raw materials from France and Europe. They are stored in the factory. Each raw materials are prepared depending on the formula. Each raw material is introduced in the tank. Some ingredients are solids, others are soft at room temperature. The tank is heated by circulation of hot oil in a double casing. When all ingredients have been added and are melted, then we sample the mixture before adding the color agents in order to check the color of the resin basis. The laboratory controls that step. When the laboratory says it's okay, the color agent is added. A new sample is taken after the coloring. The sample is tested in the laboratory. According on the nature of the wax, different analyses are done. Organoleptic control, color, odor, appearance, melting point, viscosity, study on the color with spectrocolorimeter. When all the laboratory controls are okay, the bulk is released for pelletizing. The hot wax is injected in a perforated pipe, which will deposit on a conveyor belt wax beads. The conveyor belt is cooled from below by cold water. At the end of the conveyor belt, wax beads are cooled so they can be packaged. Samples of the beads productions are taken for last physical test and are kept in sample library. Those samples are taken in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of the batch. We have different sizes, from 100 grams to 10 kilograms. The beads are checked to be separated. A dye pack is opened, filled with beads, and that is with the batch number. Tins are filled automatically, sealed, labeled, and dated. Safety is our priority. We check that body and heads of our cartridges are well set. All the palettes are filmed and sent to our distributors and customers all over the world. We hope you enjoyed the visit of our factory. Now you know how we care about customers and quality, and we hope you'll be as sensitive as we are about our products.